Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to improve your voiceover in Premiere Pro or how to enhance your voiceover in Premiere Pro. And for this purpose we are not going to use any third-party plugins, we'll be using the inbuilt tool in the Premiere Pro itself. And you can also download the free preset. The link of this is in the description section below, which will enhance any voiceover in just one simple click. So this preset is very simple and easy to install. All you have to do just drag and drop over your voiceover and it would immediately enhance that voiceover in Premiere Pro. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the sample voiceover. Let's see. I have already recorded this and let's hear this out how it sounds so that you can see it, and then we're going to enhance this. So this is our sample voiceover and we are going to take this and we are going to enhance this in Premiere Pro and we are going to make it sound better in Premiere Pro. So this is the sample audio. Alright, so this was the sample and now let's enhance it. And for this purpose, first of all, we'll go to the effects rack and in the effects rack, we'll search for the noise or denoise. Under the noise reduction, you will see this denoise. So just drag and drop this effect right over this clip and thereafter just go to the effects control and over here you will see this effect denoise. Just click on the edit. And over here you will see this default and default is 40%. So let's play it and let's see how it looks. So this is our sample voiceover and we are going, and if we just disable this by clicking on this button icon, let's see how this is going to sound now. So this is our sample voiceover and we are going, and just listen to this part where it has the noise, so that we can clearly see it in the end. And if we click on this, you might not hear anything. All right, so we are going to use this default preset. If you want, you can just make it, let's say 50%. So if we just make it 50%, it is going to remove more of the noise. So let's hear it. This is our sample voiceover and we are going, and this sounds much better. And if you'll just go beyond the 50% or 60% or 70%, then it's going to distort your voice, which you don't want, obviously. All right, so now just close this one and then go to the effects rack once again over here and just search for the hard limiter. All right, so this is the hard limiter and we are going to drop this over this clip and then we'll go to the effects control and over here you will see this hard limiter effects and just click on the edit, and over here you will see some presets. So we'll be using the default preset, which is -3 dB. If you want the louder voice, you can just go for the -3 dB, and if you don't want that much of louder voice, you can just go for -6 dB. All right, so here in this case we are going to go for -6 dB. So now if we just play it, let's see. This is our sample voiceover and we are going to take this, and if we just disable this, let's hear. So this is our sample voiceover, you can see, and we are going how this has enhanced our voice. Now let's go back to the effects rack and this time let's search for multi-band compressor. So in the amplitude and compression you will see this effect. Just drop this effect right over our voiceover and over here then go to the effects control and you will see this multi-band compressor. Just click on the edit and over here you will see this kind of interface. So we'll be using the default preset for this one, and the default preset we are going to use is the broadcast. So if we just play it, you will hear the difference. So this is our sample voiceover and we are going to take this. All right, and if we just disable this and we are going to enhance this in, you can see it has made a Premiere Pro and we are going to make it sound better. All right, so now we'll just close it and we'll go back to the effects rack once again, and this time we'll be using the parametric equalizer. So in the filter and EQ, you will see this parametric equalizer. Just drop this as well over here. And in the effects control panel right over here, you will see this parametric equalizer. Just click on the edit, and from this presets you will see this is vocal enhancer. We'll just use this one, and what it's going to do, it's going to remove most of the noise and it's going to enhance our voiceover right over here. So if you just play it through, let's see. So this is our sample voiceover, and we are going to take this and right, and if we just disable this and we play it, so this is our sample voiceover. And now the one more thing which you need to do, and that is just by going to the audio track mixer. So if it is not shown over here, go to the Windows and select the audio track mixer. Just click on this and you will see your projects right over here, or your sequence. Just click on one of these and you will see this kind of an interface. All right, so over here in this interface you have the audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. So, and this is the final mix. So over here you have to just type -3 dB. So what it's going to do, it's going to limit all the peaks to -3 dB. All right, so if we just play through that way, your voice would be better and it would not distort. All right, so it's going to give the final output to -3 dB. So this is our sample voiceover, and we are going to take this and we are going to enhance this in Premiere Pro. All right, so this is just amazing. So let me just disable all the effects and show you how it's going to look without and with all the effects. So let me disable all of these one by one. All right, so now if we just play it, so this is our sample voiceover, and we are going to take this and we are going to enhance this in. All right, so this is before, and if we enable all the effects, this is after. So this is our sample voiceover, and we are going to take this and we are going to enhance this in Premiere Pro. All right, so this makes your voiceover just amazing. So you can even download this preset absolutely free from the link in the description if you don't want to go through each and every step one by one. So what you have to do, just go to the effects control, and over here in the effects control you will see this preset. Right click and select the import preset and browse the downloaded preset. This is the preset, best voice or the voice enhancer. Just press the open, and if you go back to the preset folder over here, search over here voice. So over here you will see the best voice enhancer or the voice enhancer. You can choose any one of these. So now let me just drag and drop right over here. So this is the track. So I'm just going to uncheck all of these effects and I'm going to delete all of these. All right, so I'll just disable this, and thereafter you need to just drag and drop it right over your clip. And if you just play it through, this is our sample voiceover, and we are going to take this and we are going to enhance this. So this is the result which we have got if we disable all of the effects. So this is our sample. This is before and this is after we have applied this. So you can download this preset pack and you can enhance your voiceover in Premiere Pro very easily. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you found the video useful, hit the like button, leave something in the comments, and please consider sharing this video with others. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.